Cooking in the Tiger is a more unique experience in that the Tiger uses a Webasto diesel cooktop. Here is the inside of the Tiger after living in it for about a week. The Jameson was not for Irish coffee, and that particular coffee maker has been with us since that Toyota Chinook in 1977. Sleeping gear is stowed on the top bunk, and the black antenna hanging down is our cellular booster. Getting started to cook with one purple onion. Mrs. Tiger has her cutting mat down since the countertops are just molded fiberglass. Organization is paramount in a small space, and everything has its own spot. Now if Mrs. Tiger can just find a spot where the knife is located. Having found the knife, the onion is diced. Extra counter space is found on the bench seat, where extra items are placed until the pot intended to use is found. Once found, it is placed on the Webasto diesel cooktop and the unit is turned on. Oh wait, we are above 1 mile high. Be sure to press the high altitude button, then the power on. Mrs. Tiger is very pleased with her button pushing. Here are what the lights represent on the Webasto. The first is a high altitude light for over 1 mile high. The next is the power button, which flashes until this red light is on and indicates full function. The entire time the Webasto is getting hot and can be used. Sauteing the onion and then adding the cat food, the canned chicken breast to the mix. The final ingredient is an entire bag of spinach. Popeye would be very happy. Waiting for the spinach to cook down, and bam, the final product. Simple, easy, all in one pan, and all on the Webasto diesel cooktop. As always, thank you for watching.